Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your Halo gym membership. Okay, so how you can cancel or how you can freeze your membership. So in this video I'm going to provide you all official methods. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all I want to tell you there are two methods. The first one is for cancellation and the second one is for you can say like freeze option. So the cancellation, you can cancel your membership by providing at least 28 days notice period before your next membership payment. Okay, so you need to keep this thing in your mind. You have to provide a notice of 28 days. Okay, and you can say you need to send an email at this email address. You can say like info@hellolesure.org.uk. So you need to provide, you can say like you need to send an email on this email address. So email format I want to show you. So you can see over here, this is the email format. You need to, you can re-edit this format, and you need to provide your name, your account number, and your subscription plan, starting date, end date, and you need to provide a reason why you want to cancel your subscription or membership, and you need to ask a proof of cancellation in the same email. Okay, and once you complete this email, you need to send this email at this email address. Okay, and once they receive your email, they will get in touch very soon, and if until you will not get any kind of reply from their side, you need to get in touch with the customer support team. Okay, and you can see over here, if you have any kind of course fee or courses, then you can also cancel your courses by providing at least 7 days notice period. Okay, and if we talk about like the courses, the same email you can also compose for courses also. Okay, so there is another second method, it is like freezing point. So you can also freeze your membership due to example, you can say like pregnancy or any kind of medical condition. You can freeze your membership up to 12 months and without cancellation of your membership. And you can also use same method. Instead of cancellation, you can use please freeze my membership. Okay, and once you complete each and everything, you can directly send this email at this email address, info@hellolesure.org.uk. Okay, so if this will, you can if this method is little bit tricky for you, so you can directly visit at their, you can at your, you can nearest location. You can directly go over there in before, you can 28 days notice period. You need to provide the same notice, 28 days notice period, and you can directly get in touch with the, you can reception, and you can ask for cancellation. They will guide you very easily and they can cancel your subscription very easily. And the last method is like via calling. You can also use this phone number for cancellation. You can see this is the official phone number, and once you get in touch with the customer support team, you can ask for cancellation and they will ask you some questions, and then they will cancel your subscription very easily, or you can select membership. Okay, so by using these three methods, you can easily cancel your membership with Hello. And that's it. If you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.